Once you onboard new hires, you need to train them up on your internal processes, tools, products, services, policies, standards, and best practices. We know that just dumping all of that content on people and expecting them to figure it out doesn't work very well. Poorly designed training programs just waste time and money. But we're not training people, we're change people. So we look at things a little differently. We look at learning as a means to close a skill gap so that people can do their jobs better. We use a combination of performance-based instructional design techniques and learning technologies that really work, that actually improve performance and drive business results. So think of us when you need to close a mission-critical skill gap.